So you think about moving right here to Frisco, Texas, and you want that unique, well-established, gated master plan community that lacks nothing, that's completely built out, that has everything you could possibly want, from dining to shopping to parks to playgrounds, top-notch schools. Well, folks, you come to the right place, because today we're going to go on a full vlog-style deep dive into everything Stonebriar Country Club Estates, the one that started it all right here in Frisco, Texas, and we're not holding anything back.
That's right, we're going to take you on an exciting journey through the heart of Stonebriar Country Club Estates, uncovering its fascinating history, exploring its stunning amenities, giving you an insider's view of what it's really like to live here, and of course, showcasing the top-rated schools that make this place a family's dream come true.
And as always, we'll go on a home tour where we're going to show you exactly what you can get for your money at every single price point. So buckle up, get ready for an adventure, and let's get right after it right now.
All right, let's start off with some quick facts about Stonebriar Country Club Estates. Now, Stonebriar is a gated country club and residential community that sprawls across southwest Frisco. It's home to more than 1,200 houses. Just imagine a mix of rich history with modern luxury.
And speaking of homes, there's a massive range in home styles and sizes. From quaint single-family homes to opulent estates, this community truly offers a slice of luxury for everybody. Prices currently range from about 1.3 million all the way up to $3+ million.
And to just give you an idea of the kind of luxury we're talking about, the average price per square foot here is around $343. But what's even more impressive is the range of lot sizes, from a cozy 0.15 of an acre to sprawling estates spanning up to 6 acres in Stonebriar Creek Estates. Talk about variety.
So you're just a hop, skip, and a jump away from all the headquarters located on that Frisco-Plano border, and as well as all the shopping and dining, fine restaurants, Perry Steakhouse, Three Forks. All those little restaurants are all within walking distance outside the gates right here in Stonebriar Country Club. And don't get me started on all the beautiful landscapes. They've really done a great job at making sure that the landscaping shows that Texas character, as well as the slight elevation that you get in Frisco, which is so rare.
Now we're diving into the pros and cons of living the high life here in Stonebriar Country Club Estates in fabulous Frisco, Texas.
That's right, Patrice. We're here to give you the inside scoop on what it's like to call this prestigious neighborhood home.
First up, let's talk about the pros. Andy, can you feel that luxurious aura?
Oh, absolutely. Luxury is the name of the game here. We're talking about upscale living. From the moment you can drive right through these gates, you're in the world of elegance.
And let's not forget about the world of golf. Stonebriar has got its very own golf course. So if you're a golf aficionado, this is your paradise.
And if golf isn't your thing, no worries. They've got tennis courts, swimming pools, and more. It's like having your own country club right there in your own backyard.
Security and privacy are big perks here too. Gated communities offer that extra layer of peace of mind, making it a great place for families and anyone who values exclusivity.
Now, on to the cons. Let's address the elephant of the perfectly manicured lawns, the cost of living. Luxurious life comes with a price tag, and property prices, HOA fees, and even those property taxes might just make your wallet shed a tear or two.
And speaking of HOA, that brings us to our next point. While they keep things looking so immaculate, they also come with rules. Want to paint your front door neon pink? Probably not gonna fly here.
And let's not forget, the neighborhood is so posh that it might give you the gaspy vibes.
And my friends, that leads us to the final con, traffic. We're in a popular area, which means you might find yourself in a traffic jam now and then.
But hey, nothing's perfect, right? All in all, Stonebriar Country Club Estates offers a high-class, upscale lifestyle that's second to none, right here in Frisco, Texas. Now let's take a deeper dive into one of the crown jewels of Stonebriar, and that is, of course, the Stonebriar Country Club. It's more than just a golf course, it's a lifestyle centered on 2 championship 18-hole golf courses, a stunning clubhouse, tennis courts, and refreshing swimming pool and club. Truly offers a resort-style experience.
And it's all right at your doorstep. Plus, let's talk about security. With 24/7 gated access, on-site security, the patrol services, safety, and peace of mind are given top priority here.
But Stonebriar isn't just about adults. With multiple parks, children's playgrounds, and some of the top-rated schools in the region, it's truly a haven for families. Schools like Hicks Elementary, Arbor Creek Middle School, and Hebron High School all are within reach for the young residents here.
And for those who love a good shopping spree or gourmet dining, the proximity to upscale retail outlets like Nordstrom and eateries like the Perry Steakhouse makes Stonebriar an unbeatable location. Plus, places like Kendra Scott and Del Frisco's Grill are just around the corner.
Frisco itself is a gem in the DFW Metroplex. Known for its friendly vibe, top-notch education, and an array of professional sports venues, it's no wonder people are flocking here. And let's not forget the events like Frisco Freedom Fest and Christmas on the Square, which brings the community together.
Absolutely. Stonebriar Country Club Estates captures the essence of Frisco, combining luxury, convenience, community, and history all in one.
Before we start on our home tour, here are some things you will need to know. Stonebriar offers a lower tax rate compared to some of the newer developments from 1.8932%, which also means more savings for you. You also have HOA dues to access all those fantastic amenities we mentioned earlier. These dues are $875 per quarter. And since Stonebriar is completely built out, you'll mostly find resale homes here. Though some of the homes are newly remodeled, you'll get a classic, more traditional looks in many of the homes. But don't worry, there's still a wide variety of housing options for you.
All right, time for the home tour.
First up is a stunning custom home on a prime lot overlooking the 5th fairway of Stonebriar Country Club. This home capitalizes on its magnificent elevated Gulf vistas, sunlit interiors, an ideal indoor-outdoor living area, and a well-suited for entertaining and relaxing. Now, this is bright, inviting interior welcomes you home with a 2-story entryway, handsome study, stately dining room with butler's pantry, gorgeous living room is framed by the fireplace, custom built-ins, centers around a wall of windows with direct views of the scenic backyard and covered patio, pool, spa, and plenty of grassy area as well for those little dogs. Well-appointed eating kitchen and breakfast nook completes the ideal family living space. Secluded, spacious primary suite with sitting area, jetted tub, dual sinks, is-in-her closets, and 2 bedrooms up, along with a game room and wet bar and a balcony with the must-see forever views. Flexible bonus room with full bath upstairs could be used as a 4th bedroom or media room, studio, gym, you name it, it's yours. Now, abundant storage throughout this with a 3-car garage. This home is being offered for sale right now for $1.299 million and represents the starting point to get into the Stonebriar Country Club area. Now, let's throw it over to Patrice to see what the median price in Stonebriar gets. Patrice?
This fabulous home in exclusive guard-gated Stonebriar Park has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and is 4,614 square feet. It's only minutes from the Star and Legacy West. Has an elegant 2-story entry with impressive painted millwork throughout the entry and beyond. Large study with soaring ceilings, stunning paneling, and a beautiful series of windows. Just past the study, a cozy den with fireplace and a wet bar is an ideal sitting area. Huge formal dining opens to large butler's pantry and wine bar leading into the dreamy kitchen, a chef's dream. The kitchen features a huge breakfast bar island, granite, painted cabinetry, 6-burner Wolf stove, sub-zero fridge, and breakfast nook overlooking the pool. Huge adjacent family room with vaulted ceilings and beams. Built-ins and walls of windows in this ideal place to entertain. Private master bedroom with a bay of windows and luxurious master bath. Upstairs are 2 additional bedrooms and an ideal private junior suite with fully renovated bathrooms. Gorgeous backyard with multiple seating areas, a fireplace, a built-in grill, and 2 side yards. And this house is offered at $1.549 million.
And now for our last home currently on the market, located in the coveted exclusive gated community of Stonebriar Park. This incredible property is situated on a quiet cul-de-sac lot, situated on 1.11 acres with a breathtaking one-of-a-kind backyard complete with verandas, sparkling pool and spa, surrounded by 5 sitting areas and a putting green, large covered patio and living area, and more. This enchanting home is complete with modern and elegant finishes throughout. Enjoy high ceilings, expansive windows, and timeless wood floors throughout the first level. The open concept kitchen offers a wood beam ceiling with contemporary light fixtures, a massive eat-in breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, Family room has a floor-to-ceiling stone wall with wood-burning fireplace and stone hearth, custom built-ins and sliding French doors, 5 secondary bedrooms, private backyard with veranda, and an incredible freestanding brick-covered living area with electrical screens, a built-in grill, refrigerator, sink, granite top cooked area, wood-burning fireplace, bathroom, and large storage room. Home is 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 5,726 square feet, and this home is priced at $2.495.
So if you've ever dreamed of luxury living in the heart of Texas, Stonebriar Country Club Estates is where those dreams can come true. If we've piqued your interest in the Stonebriar area or for all the current homes for sale in Frisco behind the gates, be sure to click on the link in the description for the latest homes available.
Remember, if you're looking to make Stonebriar your home or you have any questions about the real estate right here in Frisco, Texas, the Living in Texas Realty team has your back.
Thanks for joining us on this tour, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep living the Texas dream.